say sweet. Okay, Assam. Okay, Assam. Okay, Assam. Yeah, Iman, Igba, Angas. Okay, Assam. Okay, Assam. Okay, Assam.
Sanibonani makhaya, igama lami nguSibongiseni kuWiseman Ngwahlongo Sibongo. I am your host for today. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, man. Yes, introduce Umkhukhu Idladla podcast right now. It's just myself, uSibongiseni, uWiseman Ngwahlongo Sibongo. I am your host, man, for today. Yeah, man. Namhlanje introduce Umkhukhu Idladla. It's the first podcast. The podcast is yokuqala namhlanje that we're going to be doing. I, as the host, ngizobe interviewer, different kind of people. When it comes to this podcast, this is my own platform that I'm creating for youth in our own community as well. So ngidinga ukuthi nje abantu today subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a YouTube channel ebizwa kuthiwa Umkhukhu Idladla podcast. Please do subscribe. On the description, we're going to be having that description below. On the description, we're going to have a link as well that you're going to be having to get subscribe or just go to our Facebook page, Siwona Umkhukhu Idladla podcast. Just go and check us out there. It's going to be dope. It's going to be amazing, people. We're going to be interviewing different people. Actually, the podcast is really about the community. I want to be talking about things that are happening within Udebeni. Kwamashu, most basically kwamashu. So besikhuluma nabantu abafana nezinyanga, sikhulume nezinyanga, sometimes sikhulume nelokuzana nabaculi, yabo, different kind of people. Mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi sikhulume nama actor, kwesinye isikhathi mhlambe kube abantu abangamalokuzana, abangama poets, because I really love arts in general, because abanye abantu abaningi bayangazi as an entertainer as well. Umuntu oculayo owenza izinto zenzeke. No, so sanele ngane. Okay, fucking hell, but there's nothing wrong there. Yeah, so guys, sorry for the inconvenience. So podcast yes, it's going to be about that. It's going to be us as individual. Njengathi ngano producer bami ngale ngemuva ngiphethe uWanda the entertainer, bese ngiphethe lapha noSanele camera right now. We don't have a lot of things, guys. We have just the phone, we just have a computer, a laptop, and we have a mic, man. We just said, okay, sure, let's just be here and talk about these things that are going to be entertaining you guys and also educating us as well as abantu who are here. Bezokhuluma nani. So we wanna educate. We wanna educate on this podcast. Make the education, have everything intact with you guys as well. So ngicela ukuthi abantu besifollow kakhulu kuleli page ngoba izinto eziningi esobe sikhuluma ngazo izobe zakha kakhulu. Ikakhulukazi ngiyathanda ukukhuluma ngezinto ezakha kakhulu kamashu, intuzuma, inanda, because indawo kakhulu engingahlala kuzona lezo. As uPhakhamene on the mix, holla back with the track. Okay, as Pumile, we're just here to have fun on the podcast. Guys, nothing. What's going on? No, my friends, nginamalokhuzana ngabantu abangirekhodala aba fucked up. Manje ngiyaxaka abahline abantu abahlinile bethu angazi what's going on. Guys, what's going on? So, yeah, the podcast is really about that. Ukuthi namhlanje is just an intro. Intro yethu as a podcast Umkhukhu Idladla podcast. I hope you guys enjoy. Ngifisa nanokuthi nje bafethu ni like nenze yonke into, ni subscribe bafethu we podcast yethu, because right now it's just the first episode yethu. Just check us out on Spotify as well. We're going to be on Spotify as well. iTunes as well. We're going to be on iTunes, but we're to having the best time of our lives, because this is the start of great and wonderful things. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to be having so many people, because next week I think it's going to be Makhosi also be khona sim interviewer sikhuluma naye ngezinto eziningi ezahlukahlukene azenzayo, because Makhosi ngicabanga uzobe siza kakhulu. Ngicathi sobe sikhuluma ngokuthi yini ukuhlola noMakhosi. Uzobe khona uMakhosi Macingwane next week. I'm pretty sure next week that the first on Monday, because we're going to be dropping this thing on Monday. It's going to be always on Monday. On Monday, 12 o'clock, Emini. It's going to be there. We're going to be talking to abantu abahlukahlukene. Makhosi, Macingwane is going to be here. Ekhuluma kakhulu ngokuhlola, because I really want to understand the part yokuhlola ukuthi yini ukuhlola kahle kahle. And also, anything engifuna athinte kokona kakhulu ile ukuthi athinte indaba yokuzalwa wembethe, because ukuzalwa wembethe is different for other people. Khona abantu abazalwe bembethe, khona abantu abazalwe bembethwe. So we really have to understand ukuthi kahle kahle yini lezo Makhosi azobe ekhuluma ngazo ngalelo langa. So bese noMakhosi Macingwane inja impilo izobe idedede style izobe khona la. Umfana nje osemncane ungenayo inkinga oyisiphana, kodwa ke ayikho inkinga, uzobe khona next week isikhuluma naye. I think that's going to be my first guest esobe sinaye. Nanga sehlinile laphana uLokhuzana, uproducer wami usehline, ucameraman kahle kahle usehline ubala, but ke ayikho inkinga bafethu. So produce number ba sinoma baka which number? It's the time. What's the time? Lapho sekhamba isikhathi singana sana. Kusahamba isikhathi sincane nje ka. Fucking hell, man. What's a good guy? 5 minutes. Ngiyabona isandla ukuthi isandla sini. Now the thing is asinayo i-tripod le yokubamba i-camera. So ucameraman wethu kahle kahle usanele. Uyajima lafana ujimitsi. But it's cool, man. It's cool. Siyakhula. Probably next week bazohlela uMakhosi siyithola i-tripod, because i-tripod izodinga ukuthi ngoba uzokhuluma isikhathi esithi, because ziningi izinto esobe sikhuluma ngazo kanye nayo uMakhosi uma ngabe sekhona kule podcast yethu. And also sobe sithola abaculi abaningi, khona umculi nje ebese ngikhulume naye ekuthiwa uSicelo RSA, naye uzobe khona ke lana sim-interviewer naye live, sikhuluma naye esitshela inkinga naye ahlangabezana nazo as an artist as well. And also mhlambe nami ngelilanga ngizobe sengima la phambi kwenu ngikhuluma about my journey as well when it comes to the music industry, because I've been in the music industry for quite a while now. Yabo abantu abaningi bayangazi from whatever la ungazikhona, abanye abaningi bangazi ngiperforma somewhere, abanye bangazi whatever ngifuna ukumenshina indawo la abantu abaningi abangibona khona. So it's fine as well. So izinto eziningi esobe sikhuluma ngazo, ezinye izinto engithanda ukukhuluma ngazo as a podcast, I think i-economy yethu le South Africa, nangendlela engifisa ngakhona ukuthi ANC iphume as a ruling country, as a ruling party in South Africa. So I think those are the things that ngicabanga ukuthi fanele as individuals, as young people as well, sibe aware of, sikwazi ukuyikhuluma, sibe ne-engagement, singabi mina ngedwa mhlambe sometimes ngibe nabanye abantu sikhuluma ukuthi why do I feel this way about the ANC, because the ANC has been fucking us over, and I think ANC needs to get out of this country. We do not want the ANC on this country. For me personally, but I think other people as well can say, okay, sure, by ANC, by Toli keeper and stuff and everything. But for me, keeper, I just want economical freedom, because right now we have a 75% where youth are unemployed, and that is fucked up, man. We cannot have such a thing when we have our leaders are corner in South Africa as now. It's nama leader, but 70%. But this is fantasy. What's the point then of having them in the economy? Which means there's no point in having them in this economy. We need to kick them out. I don't think ANC can ever change after 20-something years, 25 years, I think. 25 years in power. I don't think ANC can ever change. It will never change. I think ANC needs to be out. We need to find new people. And I don't think DA can be there. DA, for me, I'm two ways about DA. DA has been doing very well. But at the same time, it will look out for their own people, ilokhuzana EDA. So with Snalo EFF yona-ke iphoxa kakhulu kuthina ngokuthi ikhulume ngalezi zinto zayo zelokhuzana zokuthi angene wonke ama-foreigner angene ezohlala basidakelwa. I don't think ukuthi mina-ke I'm not that kind of a fuck you, yabo. So wonke umuntu afawazi nje ukuthi nje angengeni ngokungena indaba EFF because of that. Kahle EFF, I used to admire EFF because EFF used to be lokhuzana used to be a good movement. Used to be a good movement with good values, yabo. But right now EFF just fucked up because ngale nto abayikhulumayo ngeke ukwazi ukukhuluma lezi zinto oyikhulumayo uthi wonke umuntu akatheleke la eAfrica, wonke umuntu waseAfrica akeze la eSouth Africa azovandalize la bazalise zonke lezi ngane lamantombazane ehlala la ngasekhaya bazalise bebe nazo zonke lezi ngane abanazo la. So I don't think ukuthi ku-right ukuthi kuvule wonke ama-border. Nathi saney'ngxaki zethu as South Africa, we can't be taking everyone in to come into South Africa. Samele o-350 la, ucanga no-350 esibanika wonke umuntu la, ngesikwazi ukuyenza loo nto. But-ke asikho lapho today. Namhlanje nje it's about us and ilokhuzana. It's about me introducing ishow yethu esizobe sinayo la Umkhukhu Idladla podcast. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are enjoying the podcast and and subscribe. Bafowethu into engidinga kakhulu ukuthi ni subscribe with podcast yethu. I'm going to be sending links to people everywhere I know on our Facebook page Umkhukhu Idladla podcast. Bafowethu, please join our Facebook page. Bafowethu, grow that Facebook page and also grow our subscribers there. And anything engifisa ukuthi niyenze bafowethu, comment on the comments bafethu and say okay nifisa abantu ukuthi abe khona, or else mhlambe if we don't have those much powers ukuthi sifike sithale labo bantu banjalo, but at least mhlambe sithola abantu aba more clued up about the economy abakhona le community. Makuthi uhlala vele la kaMasho sika J actually right now. So if we ask umuntu ophethe J who is a powerhouse, please tell us to come through and tell them to come through, man. Let's have a conversation between them and me and see where we can take our own place and change the society. Sanel, 10, 11. Okay, we good. Thank you guys. I just wanted to say that on you guys. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. I am your host for today. Check me out on Facebook, _RSA, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram as well. Yes, where you're gonna give me Umkhukhu Idladla podcast. Poo. Thank you.